Okay, so I'm going to cut it. I'm doing it over this because I've got the knobs for the lid. I need a place for them, so that's why it's over there. Okay, so let's see how well it works. Oh, this is going to try and close. Okay. It just slides into it like butter. Isn't that perfect? Wow! It worked! It worked! Oh, that one broke a little bit on the edge. And so any of the little bits that fall off, they can go down there into the wash machine. This one was harder to cut, but that one worked. Sometimes these great big bars are very nice to use.